Today, we're going to be taking a look at a SQL coding interview question that is asked at Spotify. I'm going to jump on my computer and show you how to solve this query. So this question is pulled from DataLemur. It's a medium, and let's start taking a look at it. So assume there's 3 Spotify tables containing information about the artist, song, and music charts. So we're going to have 3 joins. Write a query to find the top 5 artists. Okay, so grab top 5 artists. Let's comment that. And then whose songs appear most frequently in the top 10 of the global songs ring table. So have to be top 10 songs, most common. Okay. Display the top 5 artist names in ascending order along with their song appearance ranking. Note that if 2 artists have the same number of song appearances, they should have the same ranking and the rank number should be continuous. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you go back into rank functions, let's think about this right now. Row number is going to always be continuous. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not going to be row number. Then if you look at rank, it would be like 1, 2, 2, 4. So it's not rank. It's going to be a dense rank. So let's put that over here. We're going to dense rank with this. Okay. And then it should, let's see, name, ranking, appearance should be there. Continuous. Okay. For instance, if Ed Sheeran, top 10. 5 times, and Bad Bunny 4 times. Ed Sheeran should be ranked 1, and Bad Bunny should be ranked 2nd. I think that's a typo. Bad Bunny. I'm not too familiar with the music though. I'm a metalhead. Let's go over this. So artist table, Ed Sheeran and Drake. Songs table, song ID, and all of this over here. Okay, so let's think about how we're going to build this out first. So we are going to need a dense rank function. So we're going to start with the select statement, and then we're going to do dense rank, and then let's do this over, and we're going to probably use a count in here and everything like that. We'll get to it soon. We're going to say from, and let's start off with our first table over here, which is our artists. So let's grab from artists. We're going to say this is an A. Then we're going to join, and then we have a songs table over here. Songs S on A dot. And we have an artist ID right there, and we have an artist ID right there. That's the primary key, it looks like, for this table. And then this joins over there. So A dot artist ID, artist underscore ID equals S dot artist ID. Okay, that's good there. And then we're also going to have to join over on that top 10 table. So global songs rank. Let's say this one is going to be GSR. And then, so on GSR dot, and I think we have song ID. Song ID. So that's going to be the primary key for that songs table. And you can join it on that side of things. So song ID equals s.song ID. And instead of a where clause at the bottom, I'm just going to put this into the statement on this join, and then we're going to put and then we have a rank on here. So I'm going to say rank is, let's see, less than 11. So that means we're going to have 1 through 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When it gets to 11, this is a false condition. So I'm actually going to comment out this dense rank for now and just do a select star just to see how this actually populates. And I'm going to comment this out over here. And let's run that. So run code. And you can see that we have an artist ID, artist name, song ID, artist ID, day, song, rank. Okay. So let's think about this rank side of things right now. Probably going to have to count and do an order by on that side of things. But we also still need to have that artist name, I believe, at the bottom for the output. So you can see right there. So, and we're going to have use this as a subquery. So let's think about that right now. We're going to put the artist name on here. We don't need that select star anymore. And then we're going to do an order by over here. Order by, and then we're going to do count and put the artist name in here. And because we have that count function, the aggregate function, we do need to have a group by at the bottom. So we're going to do group by, and then this artist name. Now I am going to add in the table stuff just so it makes it a little bit cleaner to read and debug if we have any issues with it. So a.artist name, we have a.artist name down below over there. One more time, and let's see how this is. And then we're going to do a descending on that because we want to have the highest first. I think this should be good. So you can see Bad Bunny is ranked 1, then Ed Sheeran 2, Adele and Lady Gaga is 3, Katy Perry is 4, and Drake is 5. I don't listen to any of this music. Okay, let's now focus on the next side of things. So we need the top 5 specifically, and we have this, and we have up to 6 with Chris Brown here at the bottom. So now let's build everything out in the center side as a subquery. So let's go over here and just do a select star for now. Select star from, and then we're just going to throw everything inside. We can filter that data. So put that over here. Just going to make this a little bit nicer. Then tab that over. We're going to say this is A, and we're going to grab, well, we have artist A. So let's name this as A1. So we're going to have A1.artist name. And then we need an artist rank. So we'll have artist rank over here, but we need to grab that from this, which we didn't even name. So we're going to say this as ranking, and then we'll put over here A1.ranking as artist rank. And now to filter out the last 5, we need to look at where this A1 ranking is less than 5 or less than equal to 5, or you can just say less than 6. And we're going to just put that as a where clause. So where A1.ranking is less than 6, that way 1 through 5 does show up. And I'm going to run this code and let's see how this works. So we have the artist name over here and artist rank 1 through 5. Let's submit this code. And it's been accepted. So just to walk through this query one last time, here's how it works. We have this inside section, which is the bulk of the work. First, we select our artist name, and then we rank them. The way we rank is a dense rank because we want 3, 3, 4 like that. And then we're doing an order by the count of how many times the artist name shows up because we did inner join that over here down below. So only the rank 11 or less would show up. And we have those 3 tables that we all join together. These joins also mean inner join on that. And because we have a count function over here, we do need a group by that specific artist name. Subqueried that, and at the very top, we grab the name and the ranking, which is the artist rank. And we're looking at a ranking less than 6. Now in Postgres, you do have the option to do a limit of something. So if you did technically a limit of 5, that would be wrong because how this is built out with the 3, 3, 4, 5, there's actually 6 total results over here. And if you limit it by 5, this last row would not show up. So that's why you have to have that A1 ranking less than 6. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe. Also, you should check out this interview question asked by Microsoft right here.